Welcome back, Hot Wheelers. Craig here, Hot Wheels boys. So there's the My Race Mountain. I think I'm going to call it the Desert Road. It's what I plan to call it once it's all diorama up and built. I've got the JLH Craft 2-lane start gate, fantastic with the remote. Just boxes at the moment, holding up everything, just making sure that everything's in order. You know, I've put some of this 3M tape just to hold the Crash Racer set straight there, because they're not that great. I need to figure out another way of securing the tracks together, because I'm currently using just the standard Hot Wheels those single lane ones, joiners, and yeah, they just don't work. I even put some card in between here, just here in the gaps, as well as these two, and yeah, they're still moving. And I've seen like here I've had to take the tape off, because as the cars are rolling down, they're hitting the tape and the tape's lifting. The tape's not that secure. Yeah, I thought it would be better with the 3M, but anyway, yeah, that's this is going to be our track. So we got the some good speed coming down the hill. I need to organize something underneath there to help, because that's still quite spongy down there. So it'll come down to the bend, down another straight. I'm thinking here I may make this angle a little bit more lower, because I think it just loses a little bit speed coming down and round. So yeah, I'll just show you guys. I'll run these two down, the Bugatti Divo from Matchbox and Monte Carlo from Hot Wheels. Let's see how they go. On your marks, get set, and go. And they're off. There they go. There they go. And the Bugatti Divo takes the win. And reset. Just press the red button and boop. Ready to go again. So yeah, so that's Hot Wheels boys track. It will slowly get there. I'll probably do some races without the diorama, you know, just to get things going, and you know, because I enjoy my racing. So I haven't been able to do some tournaments and stuff for a while. So yeah, so till next time, guys, I'll have another track update for you. Hopefully sometime next week, and hopefully the track will be running a bit better. So also another thing is, if you guys got any tips on what to join the Crash Racer sets straights together to make it much more secure, it would be greatly appreciated. So yeah, till next time, guys, keep on Hot Wheeling, and we'll see you on the track.